Hi everyone, so a year ago I purchased the Wicked Blu-ray limited edition set that was for sale on Amazon, and somehow it got lost in transit. At least that is what they told me, but then I got a notification from Amazon that they received their package back, like it had been returned to them. And I was so confused, so I sent a message to the carrier, like I thought the package was lost. So how is it back? How has it been returned to Amazon? Like that did not make any sense to me. But I did get my money back, and unfortunately I couldn't purchase it again because it had been sold out. I didn't really understand why I couldn't purchase the one that had been sent back again, but yeah, it just was not available anymore. Until I started shopping at Amazon for Black Friday, and I saw the exact same set, but on sale. So I was happy and I purchased it. And in hindsight, it's only better that the previous one was sent back, because now I got it way cheaper. So here it is. This is the box. It's huge and it's heavy. I'll show you what's in it. Here's a better view of what's inside. Oh. Alright. We have this green wallpaper of Glinda and Elphaba. I'm gonna open it. Oh, that's so nice. It's really shiny as well. I like it. Fun fact, I did this wallpaper on a set of fake nails with nail polish. We also got a certificate and it's been sealed. Now the big part, we're gonna see what's underneath. Okay, well this is gonna fall out. Okay, wait. Oh. You see that? That looks amazing. Oh wow, this is heavy. It's really heavy. Whoa, it's beautiful. You can see the rest of my house in this reflection. That's how shiny it is. It's beautiful. I have a bookshelf with books, but it's so full that I don't have space for this. So this is just gonna be decoration. I really like this. This is worth the 1 year wait to get this on sale. It's huge and heavy and so detailed. It's really, really pretty. I like it. This is both of them side by side. So you're supposed to put like books in between them. And I'm just gonna display it like this. It kind of reminds me of that scene at the end of Wicked for Good with the door. These are so detailed and so pretty. I mean, the DVDs are just plus. Which one do you like more? Elphaba's hat or Glinda's crown? I did see that for the second movie for Wicked for Good, that they had another limited edition set, but I didn't really like it. It was a golden statue? I don't know what it was. A golden replica of Emerald City, but it wasn't nearly as pretty as these. And I feel like these are timeless in the sense that they appear in both movies and they're still very relevant, you know? So I'm happy with this purchase. I'm gonna watch Wicked. So tell me which one you like most, and thank you for watching me sparkle.